Wood furniture and fixtures bring warmth and elegance to our homes. But even the most durable finishes can suffer from daily wear and tear. Scratches, scuff marks, and burns detract from the wood's natural beauty. The good news is that most minor damage can be repaired, often with simple techniques and readily available materials. This guide will equip you with the knowledge and confidence to tackle common wood finish repairs. Maintaining your wood furniture isn't just about aesthetics. Proper care protects your investment and ensures your treasured pieces last for generations to come. Whether you're dealing with a minor scratch or a more noticeable blemish, this guide will help you restore your wood surfaces to their former glory. Before you begin your repair journey, it's important to have the right tools at hand. Don't worry, you won't need a professional workshop. Here are the essentials for most repairs. Cleaning supplies, mild dish soap, warm water, lint-free cloths, abrasives, fine grit sandpaper, steel wool, application tools, small brushes, lint-free cloths, cotton swabs, repair products, melt sticks, wax sticks, wood filler, finishing supplies, varnish, lacquer, mineral oil, safety equipment, gloves, eye protection. Having these tools ready will make the repair process smoother and more efficient. Proper preparation is key to achieving a seamless and long-lasting repair. Begin by cleaning the area thoroughly. Gentle cleaning. Use a soft cloth dampened with a solution of mild dish soap and warm water. Rinse and dry rinse with a clean, damp cloth and dry the surface completely with a lint-free cloth. Light sanding, if necessary. For deeper scratches or blemishes, lightly sand the area with fine grit sandpaper following the direction of the wood grain. By ensuring a clean and smooth surface, you'll create the ideal foundation for the repair materials to adhere properly. Varnish is a durable finish, but scratches can still occur. Over time, even the most well-maintained wooden surfaces can show signs of wear and tear. These scratches can detract from the beauty of your furniture, but don't worry, they can be fixed. Here's how to address them. Assess the scratch. First, you need to determine the severity of the scratch. Run your fingers over the surface to feel how deep it is. Determine if the scratch is superficial or deeper. Light sanding. For superficial scratches, a light sanding might be all you need. Use fine grit sandpaper and gently sand the area. If the scratch is deeper, lightly sand the area with fine grit sandpaper. Be sure to sand in the direction of the wood grain to avoid further damage. Apply varnish. Using a fine-tipped brush, apply a thin coat of varnish to the scratch, feathering it out into the surrounding area. This helps blend the repair with the rest of the surface. Allow to dry. Let the varnish dry completely. This can take several hours, so be patient. It's important to let it dry thoroughly to ensure a smooth finish. You may need to apply multiple thin coats, allowing for drying time between each coat. This builds up the finish and ensures durability. Buff and polish. Once the final coat is dry, use a soft cloth to buff the area gently for a smooth, even finish. This final step brings out the shine and makes the repair less noticeable. With a bit of patience and a steady hand, you can make those varnish scratches disappear. Your wooden surfaces will look as good as new, adding beauty and value to your home. Lacquer is a beautiful but more delicate finish. It provides a glossy, smooth surface that enhances the natural beauty of the wood. However, this elegance comes with a downside. It is more susceptible to scratches and damage compared to other finishes. Repairing it requires a gentle touch and a bit of patience. The process is meticulous but rewarding. First, clean the area using a soft cloth dampened with a mild solvent like naphtha or lacquer thinner. This step is crucial as it removes any dirt, grease, or old polish that could interfere with the repair. Next, using a fine-tipped brush, carefully apply a thin coat of lacquer to the scratch, working in the direction of the wood grain. This ensures that the new lacquer blends seamlessly with the existing finish. Apply multiple thin coats, allowing each coat to dry completely before applying the next. This layering technique helps build up the lacquer to the same level as the surrounding area, making the repair less noticeable. Once the final coat is dry, use fine grit sandpaper, 800 grit or higher, to level the repaired area carefully. Sanding should be done gently to avoid removing too much lacquer and to ensure a smooth finish. Then, buff with a soft cloth and a polishing compound specifically designed for lacquer finishes. This step brings back the shine and smoothness, making the repair blend in perfectly with the rest of the surface. Remember, patience is key when working with lacquer. Rushing through the process can lead to mistakes and a less than perfect finish. Take your time, and your efforts will be rewarded with a beautifully restored finish. The end result is a piece that looks as good as new, with the lacquer providing a durable and attractive protective layer. Oil finishes penetrate the wood, providing a natural low sheen look. Reviving them is simple. 1. Clean the surface. Wipe the surface with a cloth dampened with mineral spirits to remove dirt and grime. 2. Apply oil. Using a clean cloth, apply a thin coat of oil, the same type used originally, to the entire surface, working it into the wood in a circular motion. 3. Wipe off excess. After 15 to 20 minutes, wipe off any excess oil with a clean cloth. 4. Buff to a shine. Allow the oil to dry completely, then buff the surface with a soft cloth to enhance the sheen. Regular oiling nourishes the wood and helps maintain the beauty of the finish. For deeper blemishes, burns, or gouges, burn-in techniques using melt sticks, wax sticks, or fillers are effective. These methods are particularly useful for addressing significant damage that goes beyond surface-level scratches. Here's how to do it. First, choose your weapon. Select a melt stick, wax stick, or wood filler that closely matches the color of your wood finish. The closer the match, the more seamless the repair will appear. Next, apply with precision. If using a melt stick or wax stick, carefully melt the end using a soldering iron. This step is crucial as it allows the material to flow smoothly into the damaged area. Alternatively, you can use a specialized burn-in knife. These tools are designed to provide more control and precision. Drip the melted material into the blemish, slightly overfilling the area. This ensures that the material will settle properly as it cools and hardens. If using a wood filler, apply it with a putty knife, pressing it firmly into the damaged area. The goal is to fill the entire void, ensuring no air pockets remain. Then, remove excess. This step is important to avoid having to sand down too much material later. Once the material has cooled and hardened, or dried in the case of wood filler, use a plastic scraper. This tool helps to remove the excess material without damaging the surrounding wood. Or a credit card to remove the excess, ensuring the repair sits flush with the surrounding surface. After that, fine-tuning. Use fine grit sandpaper to carefully level the repaired area, blending it seamlessly into the surrounding finish. This step is crucial for achieving a smooth, professional look. Depending on the type of finish, you may need to touch up the area with a matching varnish, lacquer, or oil to blend the repair. This final touch ensures that the repaired area matches the rest of the wood surface in both color and sheen. Burn-in techniques offer an effective way to address more significant imperfections, restoring the smoothness and beauty of your wood surface. With practice, these techniques can become a valuable part of your woodworking skill set. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, mastering these methods will allow you to maintain and restore your wooden furniture and surfaces with confidence. The end result is a beautifully restored piece that looks as good as new, preserving the integrity and aesthetics of your wood surfaces. Less is more. When applying repair materials, it's always better to start with a thin coat and build up if needed. Test in an inconspicuous area. Always test any repair product or technique in an inconspicuous area first to ensure color matching and compatibility with the existing finish. Work in a well-ventilated area. Many wood finishes and repair products emit fumes, so work in a well-ventilated area or outdoors. Patience is key. Don't rush the process. Allow ample drying time between coats and steps for optimal results. By following these tips and approaching each repair with care and attention to detail, you can achieve professional-looking results and take pride in your restored wood surfaces. Maintaining and repairing your wood finishes doesn't have to be a daunting task. By understanding the basics of wood finishing and repair techniques, you can confidently tackle most common issues. Remember, it's often the little imperfections that add character and tell the story of a well-loved piece. So, Embrace the repair process and enjoy the satisfaction of restoring your cherished wood surfaces to their former glory. With a bit of care and attention, your wood furniture will continue to bring warmth and beauty to your home for many years to come.